Hi, my name is David Ovienos, an Astro instructor in this course. It's amazing to have you on board. Now in this course, you will learn about the MERN Stack. You'll learn how to build really amazing full stack web application with MongoDB, ExpressJS, ReactJS, and NodeJS. Now you're not just going to learn them in theories, but in real life projects, which will build from scratch. That will show you how these pieces all work together. And by the end of this course, you'll be able to build your own full stack web application with these technologies. Now, as a bonus for this course, you will also learn how to convert a normal HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap site into a complete React application and utilize all the power of ReactJS in it. You'll learn about props, states, routing, authentication, file upload, form validation, state management, context API, HTTP requests with Axios, and a whole lot more. You also understand the difference between class and functional components and the power of React hooks. We'll be building our own REST API with NodeJS and ExpressJS with a MongoDB database and then connecting it to a React frontend. So this is really a complete full stack course. There's no boring theories. Let's just get started.